What if I told you aliens might already know who we are? Not because we've met them face to face, not because they've landed on Earth or sent us a signal, but because of two small machines still wandering through the endless dark. Machines carrying humanity's voice, dreams, and secrets into eternity. This is not science fiction. This is the story of NASA's Voyager missions. A mission that started as science but evolved into something far bigger. A mission that dared to send Earth's soul to the cosmos. The 1970s was an era of ambition and uncertainty. The Cold War raged, technology was advancing rapidly, and humanity's curiosity was exploding beyond our skies. NASA had already sent astronauts to the moon, but now they wanted to go further, much further. The idea was bold, even outrageous: launch 2 spacecraft to explore the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and then, if they survived, push them beyond the solar system. No human technology had ever ventured that far. But Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were built for it. Small by today's standards, just over 700 kilograms each, but packed with instruments to see, hear, and measure the unknown. Yet inside those machines lay something far more profound. A golden disk, a time capsule of Earth itself. Not gold for wealth, but gold for durability, designed to last 1 billion years in the vacuum of space. What did it contain? Greetings in 55 human languages, including hello in English, Hindi, Arabic, and even ancient dialects. Sounds of nature, waves crashing, birds singing, a baby crying. Music that defined humanity's heart and soul, classical pieces from Bach and Beethoven, and even Chuck Berry's rock and roll anthem Johnny Be Good. Images of Earth's landscapes, animals, and human life. Everything chosen carefully to say one thing: this is who we are. Carl Sagan, the visionary scientist behind the record, called it a bottle into the cosmic ocean. A message not knowing if it would ever be found, but sent anyway, because reaching out was worth the chance. The Voyager mission wasn't just about science. It was about hope, identity, and daring to matter in a universe so vast. But first, these tiny ambassadors had to survive their initial quest, a perilous journey through the giants of our solar system. And what they discovered there would transform our understanding of space forever. With their golden records on board, the Voyagers departed. Launched in 1977, they raced toward the unknown. Their targets were the distant outer planets. Worlds humanity had only seen from telescopes. First destination, Jupiter, the solar system's giant. In 1979, Voyager 1 reached its orbit. It captured images that stunned the entire world. The Great Red Spot, a storm centuries old. Lightning storms far stronger than Earth's entire energy. And Io, a moon alive with volcanoes erupting. Saturn awaited next with its magnificent rings. Voyager revealed intricate patterns within those rings. New moons were discovered, unseen until that moment. Strange magnetic fields hinted at unknown planetary secrets. Voyager 2 pushed further, undeterred by challenges. It reached Uranus in 1986 with success. A tilted planet rolling sideways around the Sun. 10 new moons were found orbiting this oddity. Its magnetic field defied all previous scientific theories. 3 years later, Voyager 2 met Neptune. Supersonic winds roared across its mysterious surface. A giant storm, dark and fierce, raged. These revelations shocked scientists and inspired the world. The missions transformed our understanding of the cosmos. The outer planets were alive, dynamic, surprising. Moons like Europa and Enceladus sparked curiosity. Oceans beneath ice might harbor alien life. With their planetary tours complete, Voyagers changed direction. Their next mission, leave the solar system entirely. A journey into interstellar space had begun. Before shutting its camera forever, Voyager 1 looked back. It captured Earth from billions of kilometers away. A faint dot, pale against the darkness. Carl Sagan named it the pale blue dot. A reminder of our fragile shared existence. In 2012, Voyager 1 achieved immortality's threshold. It crossed into interstellar space, beyond the Sun. Voyager 2 followed 6 years later, equally triumphant. Humanity had finally reached the galaxy beyond. Now they drift, silent ambassadors of our world. Their message travels endlessly toward unknown destinations. But what happens if someone discovers them? What will they think of our golden gift? The Voyagers now sail through infinite darkness silently. No planets to study, no missions remaining. Yet they still carry humanity's greatest question: are we truly alone in this universe? NASA always hoped these probes might inspire contact. Not immediate, but perhaps in distant centuries. The golden records on board are humanity's cosmic greeting. A handshake extended to whoever might listen. Their chances of discovery remain incredibly small today. Space is vast beyond human comprehension or imagination. Yet, even the smallest chance has meaning. Because it proves we dared to reach outward. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence continues on Earth. Massive radio telescopes scan the skies for signals. So far, the cosmos has remained eerily silent. But silence does not mean absence of life. Voyager symbolizes hope in the face of silence. A declaration that curiosity will never be extinguished. A promise that we will always explore. Carl Sagan once reflected on Voyager's legacy. That distant dot, that's where we all live. His words still echo across generations and nations. They remind us of life's fragility and unity. The Voyager's journey also teaches responsibility deeply. If we can send messages to the stars, we must also learn to protect our home. Because Earth is our only known sanctuary. One day, long after we are gone, Voyager will continue its endless, lonely flight. It will drift among stars we cannot imagine. Perhaps it will meet another intelligence eventually. Perhaps they will listen to our golden record. They will hear a baby's cry, waves crashing. They will know that we once existed here. And maybe they will see us as dreamers? A small species that dared to reach beyond. A civilization that wanted to say, hello. The question is, will we still listen? Will we continue searching for life beyond Earth? Or will we turn inward, forgetting the stars? Voyager challenges us to keep moving forward. To keep asking questions, seeking answers, exploring always. Because the greatest discovery may still await us. Somewhere out there, in unimaginable distance, two tiny travelers carry our story eternally. And perhaps, one day, they will speak for us.